Hi guys, it's Vinny. We already did a review on Tombstone and Bronco. They're just here to see their buddies. But today we're doing Blacksmith. I don't know why the pieces aren't staying on. Blacksmith and Minotaur. These are from the Tech4Kids toy line. And they come with these, like I said, the little remotes. These remotes actually work. Bronco's was backwards, like if I drove forward, it drove back. And I've been working on these for an hour, so I'm kind of tired, but I'm still gonna do a review for you guys. Both Blacksmith and Minotaur are two-wheeled, as opposed to Bronco being four-wheeled. As said on the box, yes, they come in this huge box. Minotaur contains 16 pieces, Blacksmith 22. Blacksmith does not have the flamethrower in his hammer, so people stop asking me that. Thank you. Anyway. Give me a second. Forgot to turn them on. Oh boy, what am I gonna do? Alright. So, as I said, Blacksmith is two-wheeled. And I'm doing this with one hand while filming, so forgive me. Blacksmith is two-wheeled. His hammer works when you press this button and you retract it with the other. Let's just see it go down all the way, shall we? So it goes all the way down. So you gotta like be quick with the whole forward backward. That's Blacksmith. I love how it already had the wedge set up and the arm. So you just had to attach the hammer. If you want, you can really attach anything, I suppose, if you're gutsy. Jeez. See, this is my night, guys. I mean, I'm tired as all heck, and I don't think it's gonna come off. That's fine. It's not gonna come off. But, as you can see, it detaches. It's just being a pain in the neck today. And the remote dropped, so there we go. Next up is Minotaur. You know, I love the design. I love that they keep shutting off every 2 minutes. Everything that can go wrong today. Alright. Minotaur is also a two-wheeled bot, like I said. I love the designing on it. And it has the bar spinner. You can go forward and opposite. Now, all the robots do come with the kill switch. I'm gonna operate it for you guys. Voila. Once the kill switch is operated, the robot will not move whatsoever. Alright. And it will not operate unless this thing I'll call it the poker, unless the poker is in it. So you can fight without that one piece, but not recommended. You want it to look sassy. You want it to look like a sassy monk. I don't know what the heck that means. There's Minotaur. Alright. Alright. I will see all y'all tomorrow. I am tired. Have a good one.